Hello everybody, this is Moza, so I've got this Moza Logitech Stalks, and I've got like 8 gangs. I've got Broca train, Ghost train, I've got like points. This is like that's not like a grind. It's like points, like but it's good trains like the got things. Two times cussing siblings. So I got this. I spent after. And so I got the trucker in. I also got the train. And I don't know. But I got another account anyway too, so I got the what I got. So I got like things I really can posting every day in the next few days. This is like awesome because eventually I like it like concentrate, but then I don't know it's like extra. I don't know if things like that can really concentrate. I think it's like anyway. So I think that goes again. Well, like I didn't contact those on train. So this is like so I think should be like anything. So I got like things funny. So I've got Stalks on, I've got like I think externally. Oh, what the is. Okay, it feels like a cable, yeah, it's a cable. This should be okay. Let's do that. So if you have like other banks that does not have like controlling blocks, I think I do have. So you don't have a banks. I think other banks like online for the train, you can get homes, but sometimes not getting gently with dogs and things like strengths. Trying it right. Oh, I got something else still open. That's my brain. So experience. Okay. Trying anything overshrink the big mics. I can start on. So I've got points. So let's have a look at the Stalks on. So I got okay, so I got rights, intensity. Okay, I think this is like far rights. But this also like there's like two like. So this is like looks like just some of those. And the next strengths. These are hand strengths. Then you can do next. So I can see all the ranks. And again, actually, I got the squeeze points, it's like, okay, so length. So these gangs, they're like gangs. I paint. I got like constraint, like doing. I think you can do next with the cancel concentrate. And then I got red gangs, so I got that. But then you can paint. I think on antics and anti-strength they have eccentric, so like, so the type of rock things and then range like, it could see a dead paint as a, and then I got a very success, but I think it doesn't get the right integrity. I think this is like a rock experience, but it does seem like it does that, so. But right, you can use it as a guy, like sort of like driving like a truck, I could say. And got like, it doesn't anything. There's like no actual reason why this is like, but I don't think if like things. Okay, but I'm not quite X isn't 16. Okay, so this is like I'm going to take your next to get things on off. So your links, so we've got like 6 games like you need to like and dump. And I think it's like I believe yes, we have like I don't really don't have the links up to I think get things staying. Oh, so got go to the banks. Yeah, so see what screens. I don't think I took this banks like maybe 2. I got like so this is it. Something like actually I've got the quick mix of that tracks, so it's really pretty good at the dance. So I've got the quick mix of that tracks, so this goes like to the cooking and the thank you links, like the red links, and goes, it has like contacts for the urine. It goes like down, so it was like, it took the spanks and put it in length, like, so. So take the links, put like the stick it back around and just separate the cable. Like range this is used to. So yeah, you can see it goes in to like the thing, and they like trying to get disconnected. So again, this is the like if you like to like write like I can't go on these emojis because as soon as I look at the thing, probably can't say for the second thing syndrome. I got like this thing so put things in the air it thinks of the Stalks. And then this things are going like over like earbanks. But again, I think this is like some earbanks, because some earbanks will have like screens that light up. How to install. This on, so probably it's like oh, so I'm just gonna get doing. So this is paint screens and so this I'm not gonna open these buttons. I got paint stuff. So definitely I'm gonna give a try again. Editing. I'm hoping that I won't get started, probably could go in students. I can do it, I can do I think the song spectrum. So I hope that should be what. I guess that's it. So if I'm getting the rank counts and take what things our games are trying to do this on. This thing been going to like some games, I would say not all of them. I think they're just fine. There's some incidents too. And but things are going to rank and things can't be done. I think it's killer ranks you can probably stay tuned to the carrying and upgrade all this other stuff. I got like things going on, like I think, and I got like the tracker rank at the red tent. I got the cakes and train. I got like things I end up like putting on. It seems like insane for wrestling, but I think that's it. So bye bye for now. Oh, so I guess that ties in that kind of daily that if you get tight something, there should be like a thing that should like stunts like put back. So if you can't get that like sent, then cancel them. And excellent because I tried to do great the internet tells quickly saying I can't say things. I can say and stay without trying kissing. So that's kind of the thing I'm gonna say. I can do like get like say that answer it, but that's kind of nice. So I think let's go.